Okay, Baba, you know that?
What?
Oh, hold your hand in the picture. Baba, you should bring me a blue dress.
Why?
Because which girl can't take a blue dress? He's really perfect. He loves blue dress.
Okay, no problem. I can buy you a new dress. A blue one?
And I make her new dress. I make a new dress for cat girls.
Mm-hmm.
And we go to market and I just bought it with this one day, and he goes, run, hurry up. He open the door, and he said, make my dress for me, and I make it. It's done, and I said it's ready, and I put it right. He said it's happy. And I put it again, and he looked like beautiful.
Oh my god, really? That is so great. I like it.